Welcome to my channel. Get a huge amount of credits and max wheel spins from the start with this Forza Horizon 6 save file. Check my video description for the save file download link. Once download done, right click and select WinRAR and select Open with WinRAR and navigate to this PC C drive users public documents. Here you can able to see your save. Open F6 save file. Open Microsoft Store, Rune, Forza Horizon 6, random number. And before dropping the save, you need to back up your game progress. Name it as backup and then drop your game progress inside the backup and then drop the save file in this location. And now you can start the game. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.